Have you ever woken up and just felt something in the air, like the energy around you shifted overnight, and suddenly your mood, your focus, even your thoughts felt different? You're not imagining it, because the stars are always speaking, and today, they have a very specific message just for you. Welcome to Zodiac Signs Moon, your space for daily horoscopes, universal energy updates, and soul alignment. Crescent Moon. In today's video, we're diving into your horoscope for today, and it may just be exactly what you need to hear. So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and let's see what the universe is whispering today. Let's start with the big picture. Today's cosmic energy is influenced by three key players. The sun is currently in Gemini, which brings mental energy, curiosity, and lots of communication. Expect your mind to be buzzing with ideas. Crescent Moon. The moon is in Scorpio, which is deep, emotional, and even a little mysterious. You may feel more intuitive than usual, or drawn to uncover hidden truths. White medium star in Venus is forming a gentle trine with Neptune, a dreamy, romantic aspect that softens the heart and opens the soul. So what does that mean for you? Today is about clarity through contrast. You're meant to notice where your mind is overactive, and where your heart is trying to speak louder. It's a balance between thought and feeling, logic and intuition. This is the kind of day where one sentence, one sign, or one moment could change everything. Let's begin with our fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Today, your energy is being pulled in two directions: action and observation. You may feel the urge to take charge, to speak your truth, to fix something, to move. But the stars are saying, slow down, just a little. You're being asked to respond instead of react. Light bulb. Your message for today: pause, recenter, then lead. Especially in conversations, be the fire that warms, not the one that burns. This is a powerful day to write, to share your vision, or to make peace with something that's been on your heart for too long. Earth signs. This is your grounding check-in: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You're naturally stable, but today might feel a little off. Maybe plans shift, maybe people are vague, maybe you feel unclear. But here's the thing, you don't need all the answers right now. You just need to trust your steps. Today is a perfect day to organize your space, rework your schedule, ground your energy with movement or meditation. Light bulb. Your message for today: your peace is more productive than your hustle. Let go of the need to control, and let your intuition be your project manager today. Air signs. Today is your element: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. With the sun in Gemini, your mind is electric, but don't let that energy scatter. Focus is your friend today. Pick one idea, one goal, or one conversation, and dive deep. This is a great day for brainstorming creative projects, expressing your truth, reconnecting with someone you've been thinking about. Light bulb. Your message for today: your voice is a spell. Speak with clarity. Be mindful of your words. They're more powerful than you realize. Water signs. Emotions are flowing: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. With the moon in Scorpio, you're extra tuned in. You may feel everything more intensely today, and that's not a bad thing. This is a beautiful day for self-reflection, to journal, to listen, to cry if you need to. If something or someone stirs old wounds today, pause, breathe, ask, what is this teaching me? Light bulb. Your message for today: your depth is your gift. Let it guide you. You may receive a dream, a sign, or a synchronicity that gives you incredible clarity today. Stay open, let's pull back from the signs, and tap into a universal message. Today's energy is not just about what's happening in the sky, it's about what's shifting inside of you. You may notice more signs and synchronicities, a desire to declutter your physical or emotional space, random waves of nostalgia or déjà vu. This is the universe nudging you toward your next chapter. There's no need to rush, just trust that your path is unfolding perfectly. Whether today is calm, chaotic, or confusing, there's meaning in all of it. Here are 3 reflection questions to guide your day. What emotion is asking for my attention today? What truth have I been avoiding? And what would change if I faced it? What's one thing I can do to align with peace, even in chaos? Journal these, meditate on them, or speak them aloud. Let your day unfold with intention. Before you go, speech balloon, drop a comment below and tell me the name of the god or higher power you truly believe in. I'd love to feel your spiritual connection and see who you align with. And if this message resonated, Sparkles, make sure you subscribe to Zodiac Signs Moon for daily horoscopes, soul-aligned guidance, and spiritual energy updates that support your growth. Crescent Moon. The universe has more to share, and I'll be right here with you, reading the stars and listening between the lines. See you tomorrow. Stay grounded, stay guided, stay golden. Glowing star.